Hi, I'm Sylvie and I'm in 8C. Today I'm going to talk to you about the cell cycle in plants. The cell cycle is a cycle in which a cell grows, prepares for division, and divides into two new cells called daughter cells. This allows organisms to grow, repair damaged structures, and reproduce. The first stage of the cell cycle is interphase. Here, the cell grows, makes a copy of its DNA, and prepares to divide into two cells. The cytoplasm fills the region between the cell membrane and the nucleus. The fluid of the cytoplasm moves constantly within a cell, carrying along the nucleus and other organelles that have specific jobs. The nucleus is basically the boss of the cell. It tells everything what to do and where to go, and directs all of the cell's activity. There are certain extra things that a cell makes in order to grow. First, it creates more chloroplast, which helps it to make energy using the sun. It also produces more mitochondrion, which help it make energy from food. And last but not least, it produces more ribosomes. These contain proteins. In addition, the cells can also make more enzymes to help speed up chemical reactions and grow faster. The process in which new sets of DNA are made is called replication. And chromosomes are produced in the nucleus by DNA and proteins. At the end of this process of replication, the cell has two identical sets of chromosomes. Stage 2 of the cell cycle is mitosis. During mitosis, the cell's nucleus divides into two new nuclei, and one set of DNA is distributed into each daughter cell. The 4 stages of mitosis are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. During prophase, chromosomes in the nucleus condense to make chromatids, and the pairs are held together by centromeres. Spindle fibers form a bridge between the ends of the cell, and the nuclear envelope breaks down. During metaphase, each chromosome attaches to a spindle fiber at its centromere and is stretched across the middle of the cell. The centromere holding each chromosome splits, pulling the chromatids apart to opposite ends of the cell. Each chromatid is now called a chromosome. The cell stretches out. During telophase, the nucleus splits into two, and a cell plate forms through the middle of the cell. Since plant cells have a rigid outer cell wall, they can't pinch in the middle like animal cells do. This cell plate helps to form two new cell walls and two new membranes, separating the cells from each other and forming two new ones. The third and final stage of the cell cycle is called cytokinesis. Cytokinesis begins during mitosis, not afterwards. As it continues, the cell splits into two daughter cells, and each daughter cell ends up with an identical set of chromosomes and about half the organelles of the parent cell. Okay, so let's recap. First stage of the cell cycle is interphase, where the cell grows, copies its DNA, and prepares to split. Next is mitosis, where the cell's nucleus divides into two new nuclei, and one set of DNA is distributed into each daughter cell. Finally, there's cytokinesis, the process in which the cell actually splits into two, and where a cell plate is formed. This cycle continues over and over again, making more and more cells each time. And that's it! Now you know the basics of the cell cycle in plants. I hope this helped you understand it better, and I hope that you liked the video. Bye!